And then way over in another slice of your pie chart is going to be these ones. They're still in the same chapter, but they moved them, or they're in a different slice of your pie chart, so you're going to have to go hunt for them. You'll see where the little dotted white dots are. I want to simplify a radical expression that has a fraction under it. Anytime they use the word rational, tells me I'm going to have a fraction in my problem. So, I can't take the square root of 27 or the square root of 75. First thing I need to do is simplify my fraction. In this case, both of those are divisible by 3. The square root is still there. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 75 divided by 3 is 25. Now, if you notice, those are both numbers you can do the square root of. That's what should happen. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 25 is 5. The square roots are now gone because we took the square root of a perfect square. If I could simplify this fraction, I would. I can't, so 3/5 is just going to be my answer. Now, in number 26, we have the square root of 16 over the square root of 25. Those values are already perfect squares, so I just go ahead and do my square roots. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 25 is 5. I've gotten rid of the radical, the square root sign. I can't reduce my fraction, so 4/5 is my answer. And then number 27, again, I look at that and say, oh, again, I don't have perfect squares, which tells me I should be able to reduce my fraction. These, again, are divisible by 3. Still under the square root, 48 divided by 3 is 16. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now I can do my square roots. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 9 is 3. I'm not going to write the mixed number. I just leave the fraction in simplest form, in lowest terms, so 4/3 is my answer. So that if I am going to use my calculator to check it, I'm going to use my square root button. I'm going to use the fraction, 48 fraction 27. On my calculator, I get 1 and 1/3. To change my mixed number to my improper fraction, shift and the fraction button. Shift and the ABC one. Then on my calculator, I should see 4 over 3, 4/3. So again, if you want to do them on the paper, check them with your calculator. Go ahead. I prefer you can do them on your paper without your calculator, but if you want to check them, that's perfectly fine. And that should be the end of homework day 11.